Okay, jump encrypt is. I explain it pretty well in the comment because I'm worried I won't be able to cover my algorithm too in depth with the amount of time I have here. But basically, you're just taking a message and you're encrypting it into like a table of values. So like if this is the original message and you have a jump value of 5, you end up with a table that looks like this. And the 5 is just the number of characters in each column. So yeah, my algorithm basically has to do with the displacement. So like if T is your first character, H is your second. T is the first character of the new message, but H is going to be the sixth character of of the new message. So like that displacement for like mapping from index 0 and index 1 to 0 to 6 is basically how my algorithm works. So I is 12, S is 18, and the space in the bottom left is 24. Then I would be 30, but I get it to map back to 1 by finding the remainder. The remainder, which is the count times the displacement, which is basically the counting by 6 I was just doing. And you take that and you find the remainder here of that divided by the displacement times the jump value minus 1. So like 30, remainder 29 is 1, so you map it to the right spot. Yeah, so my code here, I was having issues with the spaces at the end, basically. Um, so what this does is it gets rid of like the spaces at the end in a sense. I don't know how much sense I'm making right now, but basically if you look at the last column, here it's age period, but it could in theory just be a period or something like that. My algorithm like filled in the rest of that column with spaces, but those spaces don't actually act as spaces when you're encrypting the code, so I had to write code to adjust for that.